Morning, kids. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Welcome to the science class. Our today's topic is chapter number 5 Seeds and Seeds. Let us quickly see the general instructions. First is mind mapping. It holds the introduction and main highlights of the chapter. Aims and objectives shows the outcome of the lesson after learning and understanding of the chapter. For better and easy understanding of the chapter, PPT is given. Spell the words after listening the reading of the chapter and learn new words and their meanings. Watch the video and understand the chapter whenever you feel difficulty. PDF of the assignment and question answer are given so that you can revise and practice the concepts of the chapter. Creative writing and web charts are also given so that you can know and learn about the chapter. All the points are very important. Kindly read and adhere them. So, let us quickly have look on the aims of the lesson. Our first aim is to know about germination of seeds. To know about different agents of dispersal of seeds. To know about pitcher plant. To know about velcro. Now, before starting with the chapter, let us quickly see the mind mapping of the chapter. First is sprouting. Second is different places from where we get the seeds. Next is velcro and its uses. Next is pitcher plant. We will also learn the process of germination. We will get to know about agents of dispersal of seeds. We will learn about seeds. So, now kids, open your NCERT. We are starting with the reading. Gopal was waiting for his Mausi's family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then, his mother called out, "Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 bowls of chana gram." She was going to his bua's house and would return only in the evening. So now kids, we are learning about a boy whose name is Gopal. He is very excited because his aunt is coming to visit us. And also his mother has ordered him to soak 2 small bowls of chana. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, "How will 2 small bowls this be enough for 8 persons?" So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. "How much did you soak?" asked his mother. "How did this happen?" wondered Gopal. So now what Gopal has done? He has soaked 4 katoris of chana because he thought that 2 bowls of chana would not enough for 8 persons. But what happened? Chana started overflowing from the vessel. You soak too much. Anyways, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts. Mother said. She tied half of the soaked chana in the wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Now, mother has decided to divide those chana in two parts. One she will cook and other she will leave for sprouting. So kids, do you know what is sprouting? Okay, I will tell you. Before that, let us do one activity. Take a small bowl of moong dal or chana. Soak them in water overnight. Now, strain the water and wrap them in cloth cotton. Make it wet every day. Wait for 3 to 4 days. What changes you will observe? Note it down and share with me. Now, I am going to tell you about sprouting. Do you know what is sprouting? Sprouting means to begin to grow. In other words, it is first step of germination. It is possible only if sprouts get enough air and water. Do you know kids, sprouts are rich source of nutrients. Even doctor recommends to eat sprouts to stay healthy. But sprouting of seeds may vary according to temperature and humidity of the weather. I hope the meaning of sprouts are clear to you. Now, let us learn some very interesting facts about seeds. Plants reproduce through flowers. A fruit is formed out of flower. The fruit contains seeds. There are many kinds of seeds we can see around us. For example, mustard, fenugreek, sesame, and coriander. You know kids, rajma, chana. These are also example of seeds. They have different shape, color, and texture. Various kinds of seeds are found in fruits and vegetables like apple, mango, watermelon, papaya, etc. All the seeds do not get chance to germinate. Some of them fall from parent plant and do not get proper sunlight, soil, air and water. Now kids, it's time to learn the process of germination. For understanding that process, we are going to see one small video.
What is germination? When a seed is sown into moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. It occurs in the following steps. The seed coat splits. A tiny root grows downward and a shoot grows upward. This produces a seedling of a plant, which ultimately grows into a new plant. After some time, the plant bears flowers. The flowers produce fruits, and the fruits have seeds in them. All seeds can germinate when sown in moist soil under suitable conditions to produce new plants. By natural or man-made processes, these seeds are sown into the soil again, and that is how new plants are born.
So kids, let us see the process of germination. The seeds germinate to produce a seedling. The seedling absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. First, a tiny root starts growing downwards. Then, upper part of the plant, tiny shoot, starts growing upwards. Soon, baby plant grow with green plant and changes into adult plant. So this was the process of germination. Now we are going to learn about a very interesting plant, and name of that plant is pitcher plant. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice. The pitcher plant is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. It has pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by the leaf. The plant has special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insects land on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. So kids, what is pitcher plant? Pitcher plant is an insectivorous plant. What is the meaning of insectivorous? That means a plant that eats insects like frog, mice and other small insects. It eats frog, mice and insects. It is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. It has special smell that attracts the insect, and as soon as insects land on its mouth, it gets trapped. Okay, what a clever plant it is, isn't it? So kids, I hope this much chapter is clear to you. We are going to continue with the chapter in the next part of the video. Thank you.